Yes, you are. I'm taking your video, Smart.
Oh.
Turn the light on. I can't see you. Hey.
Are you gonna record me making eggs?
Yes. Because you're actually cooking.
That's like not even
Don't touch it, you dummy.
I think I need that spatula thingy.
Spatula?
Yeah, that's
You passed PFD cooking.
Remember I only cooked like twice when I epically failed?
Yeah, me and Almendra had to do all of it. Remember your dishwashing incident?
Yes, I remember.
That was so funny. Do you find that video? Good.
Oh my god, I found my phone. I just didn't grab it. Like, it's in their truck. I found it. Please. There we go.
Oh, you're smart. Okay. Don't touch it.
It's not warm yet.
We need to dial. I don't know, do you? It's a question you have to ask yourself in your head, because I don't want to hear it. Where's Shorty? Shorty! God, every time I say that, I just want to start taking replay. There he is! Hey, Shorty. What are you doing? Hey. You're cute. It's got a white fro. It's called a wafro, Natalie.
Yeah.
It's a white afro. It's a wafro. I'm skipping. It's probably getting really dizzy. My camera probably got really dizzy because I was skipping.
Ew.
What? Natalie's an egg. It's supposed to
Wait,
look
I don't
like
want
that.
this.
Why don't you want that? What? What are you doing? Oh, you dummy. Dude, you just wasted eggs. What's wrong with you? Wow. What was the point of that?
What?
What was the point of that?
I don't know.
Dude, my hand's shaky, look.
Oh, it's gonna be a small omelet.
You're making an omelet?
I'm gonna put cheese in the middle of it.
Okay. Good luck with that. Oh, it's purple! Natalie, the burner's purple. Come see. Look.
It's red.
Look!
Oh my god, it's purple!
It's supposed to be red, but it's purple. Oh, that's so cool.
I think I just have bacon. Whatever. Is this supposed to shake this?
Probably.
Yeah.
Don't even think about pouring it out. Just make it. Here, I'll make it for you.
But it needs cheese.
Put cheese in.
Wow, I'm stupid. I didn't even put butter. It's gonna stick.
You're a dummy.
I don't know how to fix it.
Choo, choo, choo. Wow, it's stuck already. Go, Natalie!
Maybe I should like
It's still purple. How is that possible? That was purple. Shutty! Hey, sexy puppies. Whoa! There's Joel. See? Where's Joel? I want to see my baby.
Oh, there's a lot of butter.
Where's Joel? Natalie, you already put that on. Don't put the butter in.
Wow.
But I did. You're supposed to put the butter on first?
Well, whatever. It'll mix.
And then the eggs.
Wait.
Natalie, what are you doing?
I don't know.
Give me this. Turn it down first of all. Like half of it. Dude, the smoke alarm's gonna go off. Look what you did. Oh my god, it is. What is this? Ew. Maybe we should throw it away. You actually did it. Dude, I've been thinking about it. I've been thinking about it. Oh, yes. I'm Touch it.
No, it's cold.
Ah, exactly!
Oh.
It's bubbling! I still predicted the future. I'm cool. I was like, the smoke goes to the camera. It was going to be put on the internet.
Oh, great. Say that again. Say it again. Say it again. Say it again.
Wait, say what?
Oh, great.
Oh, great. Your face looks big. Here, act like you're proud of this. Nataly!
What?
Act like you're proud of it. No! Like, smile! Don't drop it. Okay, give me this before you break. Oh my god! Ow! Oh, it hurt! Nataly, kiss it. Kiss it. Kiss it!
Give me the spatula.
The spatula is called a spatula. I said spatula, not spatula. You ruined the pan. Shut up, no, it is. Oh my god, yes I did. Oh my god! What a loser. Clog up the, clog up the sink and then soak it in water. Hot, soapy water.
It's still hot.
Not cold, unsoapy water. This is so gross. Wow. Haven't even been here 30 minutes and you already ruined something. Oh! It's gonna break! Oh my god! It's coming off. You don't know how entertaining this is.
What's left?
Oh! Hey!
It's red. Oh my god, it's already clogged.
Ow, that was hot!
What?
That wasn't it.
That's not.
You're welcome. Why does Natty always have to fix everything? Can you tell me that? How about you use some soap? Put soap on it. Soap, Nataly.
Yes.
Soapy water.
I think I fixed it.
No, you didn't.
That is not fixed. Well, I'll wash it later. It's stuck to the bottom of the thing.
Okay, are you going to redo this or do you want me to do it?
No, I'm going to redo it.
No, I think I should do it. Nataly?
No.
Nataly? No. I want to do it.
No.
I want to do it!
No!
Yes!
No!
Yes!
No!
Yes!
No!
Yes!
No!
Okay. No! I want to do it! Yes. What's this? Progress report?
Look at my scale. And Peter. No, where's Peter?
Because it's so bugsy. And then it's an 87, you can't see. Oh, wait, no, you can't see. Okay, sorry.
Nataly,
Really?
shut up.
Are you so mean?
Oh, I need a pan.
Really? That's kind of essential. You just make it on the burner? I think that's a great... Okay, that is way too big.
It's okay.
I don't think it is. Okay, I'm going to end this video because it's already like 8 minutes and 47, 48, 49 seconds, 50 seconds, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60.